Hey there, Foxman here. Today we're making chess in Minecraft. Oh no. No. Yay! Seriously though, let's be original and Livs found his head here. But today we're making chess in Minecraft. Because I have nothing else to do with my life. Yeah, I think you can understand my my inspiration for this video. But seriously, he's a great YouTuber, you should go subscribe to him. Anyways, let's start our journey in making... Oh, what the fuck, I have a heart. Making chess in Minecraft. So what we got here, it's our wonderful mCreator project where we're gonna make chess. We're gonna make chess in Minecraft. So what I thought of it, I'm gonna show in a second what I thought of doing for this mod and how I want it to work. So this is the chessboard that I built right now. This is where the game is gonna take place. So basically, what I thought of, each player has their pieces in here, like what? No. Oops. So what I thought of is that you see each is a 2x2 block, and on each one of these there's gonna be entities. Like we're gonna have to code every single entity. So we're gonna have one here, 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 and one here. Oh, they're leaving. And the point is that each player takes turns, and you ride one of the pieces. For example, if I ride a pawn, I can move it 1 square, or if it's the first move, I can move it 2 squares. I don't know if I'm gonna code that. Wait. So basically you have to ride each piece, and the problem is gonna be that each piece moves in a different way, so it's gonna be hard to actually code how, for example, how the knights will move, because the knights move in an L shape while the pawns move in a straight line, and the bishops move on the diagonals, and the rooks move again in a straight line, but they can move infinitely, unlike the pawns. And the queen moves in all directions. So yeah. And I'm not the best coder, I'm not the best programmer in the world, so it's gonna be fun. Okay. Luckily, I'm using mCreator, so making the entities themselves won't be that hard, but yeah, it's time to get coding. I am using 110% of my modeling skills, okay? This looks like shit. This is supposed to be a pawn, okay? It's supposed to be a pawn. Yeah, I don't think this, I don't see it. Yeah, it kind of looks like a pawn now, doesn't it? Yeah, that looks better. Kind of. Wait, let me actually stretch this out a bit. Yeah, that looks like a small pawn, but it looks like a pawn. So I think it's smaller than the player, which is good. So I'm gonna just texture it real quick, and I'm gonna be right back. So here we got a white pawn. Now I just realized I have to make another texture for the black pawn, and that means I just have to make a whole another entity, which is gonna be the black pawn, because I can't change the texture of the entity. So yay! We got a black pawn and a white pawn. They look pretty cool, in my opinion. I really like them. Now we're gonna have to export this and add it to mCreator, and hopefully it works. So we're here in mCreator, we got the model pawn, and we're gonna go in here and we're gonna string entity, and we're gonna call it pawn. And now we need texture model pawn. There we go. We need the texture. We're gonna add the texture, pawn texture. Where is it? This is gonna be the white pawn. So the texture is white, and we need no bigger right one, no control, and fine. It switch values, and it is not missing everything. So I still have let's try get back. So value should be 1, and movement speed. Alright. Sound, it should make no sound whatsoever. It has no inventory. Let's try right clicked on entity when entity kills another one. Okay, yeah. So it has a little bit of attack speed. What it is no basic. We're not back all that is attack anybody is like. So that will do this for now because I can still waiting. And spawning. Enable anything spawning. This. So it's no longer, it cannot spawn. If you spawn egg off, it's gonna be this, hopefully, and save. And we have to try this, so we're gonna click run. I'm gonna wait until the game starts so I can test the mod and see if the pawn spawns. So it's been like what, 10 minutes, and the project didn't even, the client didn't start yet. Oh god. Oh no. Oh god. Well, I still gotta wait for it to start, so yeah. Might as well restart mcreator, I guess, because it doesn't want to work. Hello. So I fixed it, and now as you can see, I made the white pawn, white king, white queen, white bishop, white knight, white rook, and their black counterparts. And yeah, we're wait, oops. We're about to test them. So let's make a new world, creative, on super flat, and let's see. And we also have to build like the board. So yeah. So firstly, if we go to the spawnings, we have the white pawn, the white king, the white queen, white bishop, the white knight, and the white rook, and all the black ones. And we got a pawn, which looks interesting. We got the knight, we got the king, my bad. I really like the model on the king. I'm really proud of it, as you can see. We got the queen. I am not so proud of this one. The bishop, which again looks really good. The knight, which honestly this is the goofiest one yet. I mean, wait, I can actually write this and it looks normal. Wait a second. Wow, that looks cool. Ow. Ow. Again, very painful to write the oh no, 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 I gotta, no, 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 no. And the pawn is, it's pretty normal. I wanna try the queen. I'm floating. Anyways, I got another idea. Instead of actually riding them, I was thinking, what if you can just right click them and pick them up and move them? So that's what we're gonna do. And so yeah, this is the knight, it's cool. And we got the rook, which the rook was the easiest to make, and it actually turned out the best. It actually looks like a tower. Again, I'm floating away, but that doesn't matter, because we're not gonna actually ride the pieces. And also we got the, oh, fuck. We also got the black ones, and let's see the black ones because I didn't see them. Whoa, that's pitch darkness, dude. That is so creepy. Holy. What? Whoa. Jesus, what? Jeez. Jesus, these are dark. Yeah, they look interesting, to be honest. And I need to also build the board, so give me a second. I'm gonna build the board, and then I'm gonna have to export it and actually make a structure. So what I was thinking for the board itself is that you craft an item that's the chessboard, and when it's gonna be a throwable item. When you throw it and it hits the ground, it basically just summons the structure, and that's how you start a game of chess. You just summon the board, and you get the white pieces because you summoned it, and the enemy you challenged gets the black pieces. So those are the rules, and I need to figure out a way. Well, I don't need any more. I was thinking I need to figure out a way to punish players if they play illegal moves, but you have to move them manually, so if you make an illegal move you are disqualified. So yeah, I'm gonna build the board real quick, and then I'm gonna return. That took a little bit too long to make, but if you notice, it's a 3x3 now. Each block is a 3x3. Wanna know why? Because I thought instead of, you know, making 1x1, because 1x1 is too small, the pieces are 1x1. So I thought, you know, 2x2 is not good because the pieces aren't gonna be centered. So, oh my god. The best option was to make it 3x3 so that the pieces are centered and they are not like places aren't too small for the pieces. The board isn't too small. Now I'm gonna put the pawns because I need to check where exactly the king has to go, because I'm a dumbass. And the pieces actually look kind of cool in my opinion. So the king goes on black. The king always goes on the opposite color, so the king has to be here. And if the king is there, then the queen is on the white. So here we have the first contestant, the white pieces. And then we're gonna have to put the black pieces. And there we go. We got it all in. And incluent is on. And we're gonna call this chessboard. And we're gonna save the blocks. No, it takes 2 seconds first and save. So we saved it as the chessboard. Now what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna upload it into M Creator, and then we're gonna see if we can spawn this with commands. Hopefully you can. Also, I kind of pushed that pawn by accident. It's okay. Shit is not okay. It's okay. But you go off. Okay, I'm sorry. You have to leave. Okay, now they're all centered and save. So now they're all centered. So hopefully none of them is off centered. Right. So here we got the chessboard, and no, I don't want to generate this. But what if I don't want it to generate? How do I? Like deserts, I think because I need to check how it generates, and afterwards I can try something else. So I'm gonna have to also make another 3D model that's gonna be a chessboard that spawns when thrown. Oh my god. Okay, now I need to figure out if I can spawn a structure by hitting an object, you know, with a procedure. This is hard. But if this works, then I'm just gonna have to program each single piece to be picking up and moved, and that's it. It's all over. And maybe if the capturing, oh my god, it's gonna be so hard to capture a piece unless I'm lazy and I just allow the player to pick up the pieces, like all of the pieces. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that for now. If anyone in the comments has any idea how I can, you know, eliminate one of the pieces that is eaten, then you know, please help me. I'm too lazy to figure out a solution. Alright, so I'm gonna real quick boot up the client and see if the structure spawns correctly. If it doesn't, then it's gonna be sad. Hopefully the structure spawns, you know, hopefully. Alright, ooh. Locate structure chessboard. Let's see if it can find any chessboards. Okay, Jesus, that's far away, but sure. Whoa, oh, no way, it spawned perfectly. No way. Okay, this is actually, what? Two next to each other. Okay, this is actually so cool. I actually like this. I mean, I'm not happy that it generates. It shouldn't generate. But it's so cool. Like, they look so damn cool. Let me. Is there any underground? What? There's also. Whoa. But they are so cool. Okay, I'm so happy with the chessboard. It looks wonderful. If you're asking why I did this and why it generates in the. Okay, that is not supposed to happen. No, hello. Hello? My camera is hooked. Anyways, this is not supposed to happen. Why did this happen? What? Wait, what? Okay, actually I need to take a screenshot. How? How? This is just... it's cursed. So I have really quickly made a little, you know, chessboard, a little model for a chessboard. It's as big, like this one is as big as, you know, any piece. You know, when it's a 16 by 16, just like any piece, it's a whole block in your hand, and it's pretty cool. And you're gonna throw this on the ground. You're gonna throw it like a trident. I hope it's gonna work like that. And in theory, when it hits the ground, this item disappears and it turns into the actual board. The board is summoned through a procedure. I'm gonna have to write that. So let's go back into MCreator, and we're here, and we're gonna need a model. We're gonna have to go into workspace, resources. We're gonna add the model itself, which is the chessboard with no animations, and we got it. It's the chessboard. And we're gonna go into this and no, not this. We're in chess starter, which is the actually, you know what, I'm gonna rename it and we're gonna call it the chessboard spawner. Chessboard spawner. The model is model chessboard. The texture is board texture, which is a grid. You can barely see it, but it's a grid. It's the grid I showed you there. Okay, I don't care. No, it does not. The projectile ignite fire and hit. No, no, no. Triggers. When projectile hits block. We're gonna create a procedure. Chessboard spawner projectile hits block. And this, we're gonna have to look through here and world procedures. Wait, I need to look up where it is. It's maybe block procedures. No data. Command damage procedure. Any procedures, no. Player projectile. Alright, place MBT structure file. No. Chessboard at x-axis with rotation none. Mirror none. This should work. Hopefully. Let's select element. What element? Default. How do you default mode? How default? Alright, well, you know what I'm gonna do? I've seen this trick, texture for entities, but we're gonna import the item texture, the board texture, and I got this texture for items, and if we go here we can, oh come on, no, it doesn't require a projectile item. How do I set it to def? Okay, you know what, I'm going to really quickly solve this by choosing granite slab. We're gonna save it and then we're gonna chessboard. Where is it? How to use default mode? You know, we're gonna try it out and we're gonna see what happens. I'm honestly scared because I have absolutely no idea if this works, and if it doesn't work I have to actually look it up and I have to figure out a way to fix it, which is not gonna be nice, is it? So we're here, we're gonna go into our world and we're gonna I mean, I don't care right now how the item itself looks. I care how the projectile looks. Yes. Wait a sec. What? No. Wait. What? There we go. So I made a few changes. I looked up how to, because you know I had an older version of MCreator, like very old, and this one is newer. Oh my god! Oh no, this happened again. It happened to me before, but it works. It summons it, and you can clearly see the projectile. You can see it's a chessboard. But I just want the same model, but it doesn't work for some reason. But the item itself, it does what it's supposed to do. It's like third try, I think. I had to make a whole nother model. Please, just please. Yes! Yes! Oh yes, is it? It's cursed, but I don't care. I really don't care. Yes. Oh shoot. Yes. I don't care. I actually do not care. I don't give a fuck. Okay, this is gonna lag out the game quickly. Yeah. What the fuck? Where? Oh no. Alright, so day 2 of coding chess in Minecraft. For now, I just made the procedure for the pawn. Oh, my bad. Oops. Testing did not work. Oh god. It should work. I don't know why it doesn't work. So let's see if it works now. I hope it does. Let's see. Yes! Yes! It works! And then... what? Oh, it spawns... Oh, okay. Now let's see. Yes, it's a one-time use item. I can move the pawn, and then I get another. Yes! Okay, I'm so happy this works. Like, honestly, I am very happy it worked. But I need to spawn it like a little bit up. And we also got the spawn egg. So it works just like intended, but I need to fix something with the spawning. I'm gonna show you in a second why it doesn't work. So this is when the item is clicked on a block. It spawns directly inside of the block. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in math and we're gonna get this plus y plus 1, and this is, it should spawn it on top of the block. Now I need to copy all of this, so I'm gonna have to copy these things for every single thingy, for the king, for the queen, for the bishop, for the knight, for the rook, for the black, and for the black pieces. And in theory, when this is over, the game is functional. But I want a way to, you know, checkmate your enemy. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. So I suppose I'm gonna be back in a second after I finish making all of the items. Hopefully they all work. Hopefully, because if they don't work, I'm gonna have a lot of fun. So let's test them out. I died while testing the black pawn, which worked. Hopefully all of the other ones work. So yeah, I died. So let's see the black rook. If I right click, I get a black rook. The black queen, if I right click, I get a black queen. This is the black knight. Oh shit. No. I need my black king. So we got a black king that works. The black pawn. It works. The bishop, I don't have bishop. So everything works fine. Everything works as it should work. Now, of course, I wanna fix this. I wanna fix this. I need to fix this. And yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no, I did it. Oh no. And let's see. So we got this. And oh come on. We gotta move it a little bit more. But you can see it now. It looks like an item. But just one more. Alright. What? What? No. Why is it broken on the side? No. Fuck. But it works. It works. It's in my hand, but I'm gonna move it again. And I have to figure out why it misses texture. So I'm gonna have to remake it again. Because it misses a tiny part of the texture, which I don't understand why. Hey, there we go. It's on our hand. It's in our hand. We are holding it pretty damn well. I am really happy how this turned out. And let's just see how it looks in an item frame. Item frame. And no. It's interesting. It looks pretty cool. It's a cute little board. Now I did want to make like the actual pieces on the board show up, but I'm too lazy, okay? No, I'm too lazy. But the board works like it's supposed to. I fixed it. So we can actually hold it. I mean, we're kicking it a bit. So you just capture normally, you just take your opponent's piece and that's it, just like in normal chess. For now that's gonna be it for the mod. Let's test it out one more time and then I'm gonna invite my friends over to beat them at chess. Now yeah, of course it's disappointing, okay? The Foxman is gonna be disappointed, Fundy is gonna be disappointed if he sees this. I'm sorry, but I'm not the best mod maker, okay? Does it work? First of all, we're gonna get the chessboard. We're gonna go in survival and we're gonna throw it. And we'll see where it lands. It landed right there. Oh, whoops. We need to be in peaceful difficulty. Oh no! No! Oh, I didn't test that out. I didn't test that out, my bad. Microsoft's Minecraft launcher is a piece of shit. Kill yourself, Microsoft. You can make computers, but you can't make a fucking game launcher. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ! Come on, dude. What is this? What is this, dude? What the fuck? I just want to make a video playing Minecraft and I can't even open the game. Ah! Where? Where is it running? Where? Where? Oh, come on. No. Where? 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 Which one of these is the game? There is none. Where is it? You idiot. Oh my fucking god. What is this? I just want to record an intro for a video and this is what I get. This is what the launcher does.